everyone, welcome to POA, Podcast of American Corner UMY. Welcome back with me, Amalia, as a volunteer. But I'm not alone here, I'm with my friend
Azhar Gusiananda Kupa, but you can call me Davi. I'm from International Relations Department from batch 2022.
Oh, hi Davi.
Hi, Amal.
How are you today, Davi?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good. And how about you?
I'm quite good, I hope. Semester 5 nih agak. It's kind of hard being the 5th semester, guys. Okay, so Davi, do you know what we want to talk about in today's podcast?
Of course, about Mother's Day.
Yeah, because today is 22nd of December, we will talk about Mother's Day. So, Davi, I will ask some question for you. So, are you ready to answer it?
I'm ready.
Okay, so the first question. When you hear a word mother, what comes to your mind?
Superhero.
Why superhero?
Because my mother's is actually single parents since I was in third grade in elementary school.
Oh,
Because my mother is single parents, dia harus kerja keras sebaik
Yes.
mungkin, how to make their children is feel full every day,
yeah.
and of course how to make all of their her children is get to the university,
Yeah.
and how to always make all of their children is happy.
Oh, so your mother is a single parent and you are the only son.
I'm the only son.
The only son with?
2 sisters.
Oh, older. You're the youngest.
I'm the youngest.
Oh, wow. So your mother raising 2 daughter and 1 son. What the gap? Kayak berapa jauh dari kakak?
Kakak yang pertama sama yang kedua itu jaraknya 2 tahun. Yang kedua sama aku 6 tahun.
That's quite ini ya, agak jauh ya gapnya. How is it being the only son with that long gap?
Ya, of course. Setiap hari pastinya apa yang aku lakukan itu udah hal-hal yang bahasanya mendewasakan diri.
Oh.
Because kakakku udah pernah mengalaminya secara lebih jauh, have a lot of experience, and also they know how to teach me to be a good boy because they have high standards of boy.
Oh, of course. May I know where is the high standard come from? Ketika tadi kamu bilang ada high standard nih, dari mana sih high standardnya kakak-kakakmu ini?
My father.
Wow, so how is your father?
As I know, after my father passed away, I always accompany my mothers in every mornings to jogging, and maybe like jogging or look for some breakfast. It's like that.
Oh, yeah.
Every time, my mother always told me, kayak bapak ya. Bapak itu tuh bener-bener lelaki yang tahu menjadi laki sebenarnya bahasanya.
Oh, like a real gentleman.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
My fathers know how to be a good husband.
Yeah.
He know how to be a good fathers, and he know how to be a good friends.
Yeah.
It's like that.
Oke, jadi kan tadi kita udah nanya ya, kalau misalkan kamu dengar kata mother, what do you think about it? But when we talk about Mother's Day, we also talk about woman in every aspect gitu ya. So when you hear word sister, okay, karena kamu punya 2 kakak kan, you maybe have like a deep relationship too with your sister. So what do you think about your sister?
My sister is like, what is that? Maybe apa ya, pembantu superhero. Iya, ibu itu. Jadi bahasanya
like the co-superhero.
Ya, tangan kanannya ibu lah bahasanya.
Okay.
Every times my mother's nggak ada di rumah, yang kerja buat didik aku ya kakakku.
Oh,
it's like that.
Yeah.
Even when like my sisters make me cry and etc. Of course
it's a basic siblings things lah ya.
But actually they love me.
Of course. Oh.
But disisipin beberapa hal-hal yang benar-benar itu tuh yang memang seharusnya lelaki lakukan. Contohnya, it's like every time after we buying some things in groceries like that, I always shoot to bring
Oh
the things from the
ya.
groceries. Cewek tuh nggak boleh megang apa-apa.
Oh.
Cewek nggak boleh megang. Even the things is 5 plastics maybe, just like that.
Like you can even bring it by
Yeah.
yourself. You should be the one.
Ya,
Oh wow.
jadi cewek itu nggak boleh ada beban karena apa namanya semua yang hal-hal yang bahasanya seperti itu harus aku yang megang.
Oh,
Like that.
itu kayak dari didikan kakakmu itu ya?
Kakakku.
Oh,
Jadi
wow.
every time my sister see like my mother's brings something like a bag or something like that, langsung kakakku, dek bantuin ibu. It's like that.
Oh my god.
Bantuin ibu ambil barangnya, jangan sampai ibu keberatan. It's like that.
Oh, that's really good. Ini ya kayak didikannya sangat-sangat
Yeah.
baik ya. Kayak semua cowok di luar sana nih harus dapat didikan kakaknya Davi loh ini. This is like a really important because how to be a gentleman. Maksudnya kayak in a family nggak semua keluarga itu dapat didikan gitu ya. Cowok-cowoknya nggak dapat didikan untuk how to be a gentleman. That's a really cool one. So okay, because we're talking about your mother. If you could explain ya, how deep your relationship with your mother?
Pastinya ya jelas ya, soalnya kan bungsu ya, bungsu.
Yes.
Satu-satunya laki-laki.
Oh right.
Kasarannya harapan keluarga.
Oh, like the expectation is
Yeah.
so really
Ya,
high in your shoulder
because
ya.
everything's I need, mamaku langsung dikasih, bahasa seperti itu.
Oh ya.
Ya bahasanya, tapi aku juga punya apa namanya, harus ada sesuatu ekspektasi dari keluarga yang harus aku penuhi seperti itu.
Of course ya.
Ya contohnya ya hal-hal kecil seperti tadi.
Iya.
Dan itu juga nanti dampaknya juga ke aku ya. Jelas memang apa namanya, kalau hubungan aku sama ibuku benar-benar ya kalau dibandingkan sama kakak aku loh ya, mau nggak mau memang paling dalam karena
Yes.
in futures I must accompany my mother
Yes.
in
of course.
ketika tua, ketika lagi apa namanya udah masa-masanya apa namanya udah lansia, itu laki-laki yang megang. Meskipun dia udah punya istri,
yeah.
tetap laki-laki yang tanggung jawab.
Oke. Oh my god, that's a really cool. Maksudnya kayak untuk seorang laki-laki ya hidup bersama ibu tanpa maaf ya, tapi tanpa peran ayah, tapi kamu tetap bisa like I'm still a gentleman out of these things that happen. That's really cool gitu ya. So maybe if I could ask you to mention 3 words that could describe your mom, what would it be and why?
Best role model.
Best role model. Even okay, jadi kalau misalkan kita ya nanyain sama boy out of there when we are asking who's your role model, it will be someone, I mean like it could be someone that a man or a boy like siapapun gitu ya, mungkin ayahnya, kakaknya atau artis yang dia suka yang laki-laki karena they want to be like the other man gitu. But you choose your mother. Why?
I give little examples like
Yes.
Aku pernah kayak apa namanya ngeluh, tapi itu langsung dimarahin sama ibu aku.
Oh.
Jadi ibuku itu satu orangnya nggak mau orang ngeluh,
Iya.
mau dirinya sendiri maupun orang lain, terutama anak-anaknya.
Oh wow. Ya.
Jadi ketika itu ibuku diamanahin menjadi narasumber, padahal dalam keadaan demam tinggi.
Oh. Ya.
Dalam keadaan demam tinggi, I said to my mother to back to the bedroom
To take
to take a rest, maybe. But my mother's
Ya.
nolak,
Ah, she
Yes.
declined that.
decline. So after that, dia di depan acting kayak nggak ada
Like
apa-apa.
nothing happens. Like she's totally fine.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Jadi ibuku aja bisa. Ya, as we know, the old men have lower energy than us
Yes.
as an adult, but ibuku bisa bertahan ke dalam keadaan panas tinggi, tapi dia tetap memancarkan energi positif. Nah, hal-hal yang seperti itu yang sebenarnya jarang orang bisa temukan di
Yes.
orang lain.
Oh yeah, yeah. That's. I mean, like your mother is like a really strong mother. I mean, like we couldn't, kayak kita tuh nggak bisa semudah itu gitu ya untuk misalkan kayak kita capek tuh kan bawanya kayak, duh capek banget
Nah.
sih nih gitu ya.
Itu
Your mother didn't like that.
nggak suka.
Oke.
Pasti langsung nggak usah ngeluh, nah gitu.
Oh, you will get remembered, jangan ngeluh ya.
Jangan ngeluh.
Oke. Oh my god. That's a really good message guys untuk kalian semua. Bahkan ibunya Davi yang lebih berumur dari kita pun selalu nggak mau ngeluh, nggak boleh ngeluh. Jadi
Nggak
kita
boleh.
pun yang masih muda nggak boleh ngeluh, right? Okay. So guys, I will tell you guys about why I invite Davi here. Kita followan di Instagram, and every time I open up my Instagram, dia tuh sering banget upload his mother in Instagram. Jadi kayak, I'm not going to make a stereotype ya guys, but in my circle, in my environment, it's rarely to see a man or a boy to showing off his mother gitu ya di Instagram itu. Mungkin kayak jarang banget gitu ada cowok yang share fotonya sama ibu, or even kayak lagi berdua sama ibu dia pun ngevideo gitu lah. The moment he took it also when he's with his mother gitu. So I want to know about it also, Davi. Why you love to showing off your mother in social media?
There is one way to make my mother's happy,
Yeah.
because of course after I upload it into my Instagram or maybe WhatsApp stories,
Yeah.
actually my mother nggak main Instagram sebenarnya, main sebenarnya.
yeah.
Cuman my sister show it to my mother, and she feels like very happy to see
Yeah.
it, because salah satu bentuk apresiasi itu bisa bentuk
Yes.
dari ya contohnya upload story seperti itu sebenarnya.
Oh,
Jadi
okay.
nggak cuman ngasih hadiah dan sebagainya yang bisa nguras duit kita, but uploading some like activities with your mother in
Yeah.
your social media, it is enough.
Oh ya, the appreciation ya. Jadi kayak bentuk apresiasi Davi ke ibunya tuh dengan melakukan itu gitu ya. Okay, so I feel like you as a son pasti sering lah ya kayak dapat advice gitu from your mother about everything, about life especially. Only if you could remember one advice from your mother, what would it be?
Jadi kayak bapak ya.
Oh, okay, why?
Ya, as I said before, my father's is satu, nggak pernah marah ke ibu.
Oh, wow.
Kedua, nggak pernah bentak-bentak.
Okay.
Tiga, itu nggak pernah ngelakuin hal-hal yang nggak disukain sama ibu aku.
Alright.
Jadi so
yeah.
ya kayaknya memang hubungan ibu bapak aku memang romantis banget
Oh
sama saya.
iya,
Jadi
iya, iya.
aku setiap pagi itu yang aku bilang tadi, setiap pagi setelah bapakku nggak ada, cari sarapan maupun diajakin jogging, ibuku selalu cerita how my father's sama dulu how my father's what is that melamar bahasanya.
Oh,
purpose.
Yeah, how he
Purpose.
proposed your mother.
My mother's after that he say that bapak gitu tuh benar-benar gentleman banget. Dia nggak pacaran sama ibu aku,
Oh.
kenal dari organisasi. They met in an organization. After that my father's is live in Yogyakarta. My mother in Wonogiri.
Oke.
Jadi pas hari itu benar-benar bapak aku nggak ngabarin siapa. Nah, zaman dulu kan nggak ada alat komunikasi.
Iya betul, nggak ada HP, nggak bisa buat
Tiba-tiba
komunikasi.
bapak aku datang di rumah ibuku sendirian dalam keadaan hujan-hujanan.
Wow, it's kind of like a drama scene, guys, like a movie scene. Okay. Next.
At first ibuku nolak.
Oh
Ya,
ya.
nolak ini maksudnya ngapain dia kesini?
Oh oke. Oh,
Kan
questioning
nggak-
ya,
iya.
kayak tiba-tiba banget
Tiba-tiba
gitu.
banget dia kesini. Akhirnya ya namanya nenekku juga paham ya masalah seperti itu.
Iya.
Suruh masuk.
Iya.
Akhirnya cerita panjang, lanjut sampai nikah, sampai berkeluarga. Benar-benar bapakku itu yaitu hal-hal kecil yang sekarang aku lakukan, bahasanya itu tuh transfer ilmunya lewat kakakku. Dari kakakku itu tuh sebenarnya mereka dapatkan dari bapakku.
Jadi kayak turun ya,
Turun.
gitu. Ilmunya turun ke
Iya.
kamu juga.
Kan bahasanya zamannya kakakku tinggal sama bapakku lebih panjang daripada aku, jadi
iya.
mereka lebih banyak experience bersama bapakku, jadi mereka paham apa sih yang harus aku lakukan supaya seperti bapakku.
Oh wow, that's a really meaningful ya Devi ya. Jadi kayak even though you don't have apa ya, kayak nggak dapat banyak memori sama bapak, but still you could apa ya, dapat lah ya
From my
gitu
sisters.
informasi, dapat cerita baik dari kakakmu, baik dari ibumu juga gitu. So those kayak semua cerita-cerita kakakmu dan ibumu itu yang membentuk Davi sekarang.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really cool. Okay, because I think we already talked a lot ya Davi for now, and I received a lot of insight today. I'm so happy, but I think it's not gonna be ini ya, nggak akan cukup kalau misalkan podcast ini kita nggak ada bagian ini gitu. Kita nggak boleh lewatin bagian ini nih, because today is Mother's Day. So Davi, what would you like to say to your mother in this Mother's Day?
For my mothers, terima kasih sudah ada di hidupku. Mohon maaf atas segala kesalahan yang pernah aku lakukan. Aku tahu setiap kegiatan maupun setiap hal yang engkau lakukan ke aku itu semua demi kebaikan aku.
Yes.
Dan aku juga berusaha sebaik mungkin. Everything I do, it is all for your happiness.
Oh, that's so cool ya David. Thank you so much. Actually nggak berharap banyak Ibu Davi akan nonton, but if when Davi's mother watch this, halo Ibu.
Actually, if I send it to my mothers, I think he will feel very happy.
Oh, okay.
I will send it to my mother.
I will edit it good ya, so it would have a good result at the end. Wah, okay, we come to the end of this podcast, everyone. Okay, that's a really deep and a meaningful conversation that we have, Davi. Thank you so much. Aku di sini nggak menstereotip ya guys. Maksudnya aku nggak bilang kalau semua cowok tuh nggak kayak Davi, nggak juga gitu. Cuman it's kind of rare for me, especially karena mungkin ya circleku juga nggak segitu banyak cowok-cowok ya. Jadi kayak it's rare for me to look kalau misalkan ada cowok yang kalau bahasanya anak sekarang tuh ibunya sangat dirayakan oleh Davi gitu ya. He cherishes his mom so really well gitu guys. So we hope our conversation could be a motivation buat kalian untuk lebih mencintai ibu kalian, untuk maximize your time with your mother. Karena kalau nggak sekarang kapan lagi, ya kan Dev? Betul banget. So thank you so much for Davi for coming to this POA. Thank you so much guys for watching this POA. This is the end. See you on the next POA and bye bye.